Moving on, reports getting in says a lifeless body suspected to be that of the last victim of the fatal helicopter crash off the coast of Tekrade has been washed ashore at about 6 p.m. Thursday. The lifeless body in a life jacket was found by residents of Axim in an advanced stage of decomposition. 30-year-old mud drilling engineer Walter Kobla Agotimevo, one of the 8-member crew visiting a new oil rig belonging to Luke Oil, was declared missing after the fatal helicopter crash on Thursday, May 8. The 2 pilots and a passenger were confirmed dead. 3 others were treated and discharged, while the 7th is still on admission at the 37 Military Hospital. The police say they are waiting for officials of Luke Oil and family members to identify the body. Meanwhile, 3 aviation experts have flown in from the United States of America to assist Ghana unravel the mystery behind Thursday's May 15 helicopter crash near Axim. France and Côte d'Ivoire have also expressed their readiness to support the effort. Transport Minister Jifa Ativo disclosed this when she inaugurated a 5-member committee to investigate the tragedy.
Helicopter on Thursday, May 8, crashed into the ocean near Axim whilst carrying technicians to a new oil exploration site. Per the aviation law, the Transport Minister has it as an obligation to investigate such incidents to unravel the cause.
The committee is permitted to co-opt any other person or persons or experts as they deem it fit to assist in the investigation. The ministry will make available the necessary resources to ensure that the work of the committee is done in a very timely and effective manner. I wish to also encourage the public and the various stakeholders to provide necessary information to assist the work of the committee.
The 5-member committee is chaired by a former pilot with experience in both military and commercial flight, Victor Opoku.
All in our means to unravel this situation. By the time we finish this investigation, I think all of you will be satisfied with our work.
They have been tasked to establish the probable cause and losses, determine the extent of fatalities, injuries, consider other issues relevant to safety, and make recommendations to forestall any future occurrence. The committee has up to June 30 to submit a preliminary report and, most importantly, find the remaining missing passenger.
Our priority is to look for the missing person. And the fact that we have not found the Malaysian aircraft does not mean that we in Ghana cannot find the one which is here. The USA because of Luke Oil, France because that is the state of manufacture, and Côte d'Ivoire, the aircraft is a Côte d'Ivoire registered aircraft.